Hello world, I'm Ahmed Omar, and today I present to you my CS50X final project all the way from Uganda. And this is a project about a trip planner which is being built using the Python framework Flask. And I can say it is a kind of a simple project, but I believe it has a lot of fun of which you will enjoy. And you can see here we are on a register page, of which here you have been given the privilege to register for an account by simply inputting your username, a password of your choice, and later confirming the password also. And if it so happens that you already have an account here, you can simply come and log in using your username and password. But I think for our case we are coming to register an account. Since we haven't registered an account here yet, let's come and register an account with the name of, let me say, we're registering an account with the name of Bob, password of full. Yes, confirm the password and we register. Here you can see Bob has been registered successfully here. And here on the home page you have the ability to explore numerous features. Now you can see among which is viewing some ratings and reviews from previous people who have visited particular places, and you can see them for yourself. And besides, you can see that you have been displayed some list of available destinations and places to visit. Meanwhile, you also been given the privilege to search for destinations of your choice, you can see. And apart from that, you also been displayed some list of available flights, as well as also been given the privilege to search for flights of your choice. Meanwhile, also book the flights as well. And let's come back and search for destinations. And like, if suppose you want to go to a particular place, before going there you will wish to have more information about that place, and that is what we are going to do here. We are going to search for a place to get more information or detailed information about that place before going there. Suppose I want to say go to Paris, and before going there I will need to have more information about it. So let's search for Paris to get more information about Paris. Yeah, information about Paris have been displayed here, which includes its location, the description. You can see it for yourself. Yeah, you have interesting places to be visited also been displayed for you here. You can see. Let's come back and search for more places. And suppose I want to go to London, and before going there also need to have more information about London. Let's search for London to get more information about it. Here you can also see more information have been displayed here about London, and you can come and search for more places of your choice. And like I said before that, you can also search for more flights. Meanwhile, view the available flights being displayed for you. And let's search for more flights. Suppose I want to search for the Qatar Airways. The Qatar Airways. Yeah, more information about the Qatar Airways have been displayed here. You can see, which includes the airline name, the flight number, the origin, of course it is Qatar, its destination and the price. And if it happens that this is the flight you opt for, you can simply come and book it. Yeah, and for now I think let's come back and search for more flights. Let's come and we search for the American Airways. Suppose I want to search for the American airline. Yeah, more information about the American airline have also been displayed for me. You can see, of which there are two sections here, which one goes to Australia and the other one goes to Japan. Meanwhile, the prices have been displayed, you can see. And if it suppose this is the flight we are opting for, let's come and book it. And suppose we want to book the flight which goes to Australia, of which it has an ID of 7. Let's come and here and book the flight. And you can see in the booking you can book a flight with using the flight ID. And here, suppose like I said, we want to book the flight which goes to Australia, and of which it has an ID of 7, like we saw. ID of 7. Suppose I'm giving a seat number of 56, and here you also need to include a payment method, of which you just choose from the drop down. Here, suppose I want to pay using my credit card. Yeah, and let's come and book the American airline which goes to Australia. Here you can see Bob has booked this. The flight number is this, the seat number is this, the origin of course it is United States, and the destination is Australia. The price being displayed, as well as the payment method, you can see, plus the date. And if it happens that this is not the flight of your choice, you can simply come, or like you booked it by mistake, something like that, you can simply come and just delete it from there and go back and book the flight of your interest. Yes, let's come back to the home page, and besides booking, you can see that you also been given the privilege to search and view itineraries of your choice based on the location of your visit. You can see some of the displayed itineraries here, of which among are the exploring ancient wonders, and this is in Egypt. And you also have the safari adventure, of which this is in Tanzania, and the starting date also being displayed, the ending date. And besides that, you can also come and search for itineraries based on the location of the place you want to visit. Suppose I want to go to, let me say I want to go to Norway, and before going there I also need to get more information about the itineraries there, or the activities there in Norway. And for simplicity case, we are only going to search for itineraries using the location of the place of visit. And like I said, we want to go to Norway, so we search for Norway to get the itineraries there. Yeah, you only have one itinerary, I think, on which you have the title, the location, you have the description, you can see the starting date, the ending date is here. Let's come and search for more itineraries. Suppose I want to go to the United States, and let me search for itineraries there in the United States. This is United States. Here we have the itineraries in the United States. This is the coastal road trip, which is in California, and the description, the starting dates also being displayed here. You can go on and search for more and more itineraries of your choice based on the location of the place you want to visit. And like I said, besides searching and viewing for the available itineraries, you can come and create an itinerary of your choice in the place you want to visit. Suppose I want to visit Jamaica, and I want to create my itinerary there in Jamaica. And let's create an itinerary by adding the itinerary title or the name of the itinerary. Suppose I want to add an itinerary in Jamaica, and I'm giving it a title of, let me say, reggae and relaxation tour. Yes, and the location, of course, it is Jamaica. And the description, let me say I want to give it a description of immersing the reggae culture in Kingston. You can go on and add more and more descriptions or activities to be carried in the itinerary, but for now I'm keeping it short. And the starting date, I'm giving it April of 2021. Yes, let's give it an ending date of May, which is 2nd. And yes, let's create our itinerary in Jamaica, and you can see we have created an itinerary in Jamaica, which is reggae and relaxation tour. Of course, the location is Jamaica, the description is given, and the starting date, the ending date. You can go on and add more and more itineraries in Jamaica or any other place of visit that you hope to go to. Now, with all that said, and if you're done like using the website, you can simply come back and log out from the website for security purposes. Meanwhile, you can come back and log in again by simply now inputting your username and password to explore more features now. And if it happens that you've forgotten your password, you can simply come and reset your password here, or which you come back and log in again. Yes, and with all that said, I'll say thank you. This was all for my CS50X final project.